How to get backup codes on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get backup codes on Instagram. So let's get started. The first step is open up your Instagram and make sure you're logged in into your account. So after you're on your Instagram, you can head over to your bottom right corner on your profile. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. After you're on your settings and privacy, you can then head over to your account center. On your account center, you can scroll down and you will find your account settings. So under your account settings, you will need to head over to your password and security. And there you'll find two-factor authentication. Head over to two-factor authentication and choose your account if you have multiple accounts connected. So right here, you should find an option that says additional methods. So if your account is not, if your app is not up to date or due to regional problems, you might not find the backup codes. So whenever you tap on additional methods, you'll get two options, including a backup code. So simply tap on backup codes and you should get, 8-digit codes. There will be 5 of them. So make sure that you get the code and keep it safe and saved. And you can use those codes when you can't log in or if you lose access to your phone. And you can use that to log in into your account. And that's basically it. That's how you get backup codes on Instagram. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.